makers, Father Printmas here, and it's another day on the 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar. It's day 23, only one more day to go. It's important this time of year to remember your saviour, Spider-Man. And I have printed this wonderful print. It is a present hanger. You attach it to your presents along with a gift card, and yes, it's Spider-Man in a jaunty Christmas hat. You can attach these to gifts, you can attach them to stockings, or you can print him slightly larger and use him as a tree decoration. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, can you print a Spider-Man? Yes you can, it's a breeze. Something, something, printed Spider-Man. Watch out, here comes free printed Spider-Man. I'll get my coat.